welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany. I've had a couple of people tell me that they wanted to know how I straighten my hair and they wanted a tutorial. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how I straighten my hair. First things first, I washed my hair earlier. It's pretty frizzy around the ends, from the middle down, just because I highlight my hair every 6 to 8 weeks. I am naturally blonde. However, I highlight my hair just to get it white because I like my hair to be white. So like I said, it gets a little frizzy in the middle towards the end, so I have to straighten it just to smooth it out. I don't really use a lot of products in my hair just because I have baby fine hair and it weighs it down, so I don't like to use a whole lot of stuff. I use my GHD straightener that I've had for about 8 years now. My husband got it for me on my birthday about 8 years ago, and I haven't had any problems with it. I've dropped it, all that good stuff. I've twisted the cord, but it still works perfectly. So that's what I'm gonna use today. And I just use these little clips or a ponytail just to section my hair off because I like to section the bottom from the top. So I will just put all this up and start on the bottom. I know everybody has their own ways of straightening their hair. I don't like to fry my hair or anything, so I don't go over it a whole lot, but so just section that up just to get it out of the way. These little things hurt my hair. They hurt my head. I'm very tender-headed. Okay, so after I do that, I just pull the rest of this around to the front and use my wet brush and brush it out. Okay, so I take my straightener and I just section off a little pieces at a time. I don't do a whole lot at one time, and I don't hold my straightener on there for very long. I just go down and a little faster, I guess, because I don't really want the heat sitting on my hair. And then when I get to the bottoms, I kind of round it off. I have longer hair, and I find that if I straighten it all the way down straight instead of rounding it off at the ends, it just looks stringy, and I don't want my hair to look really stringy. And when I straighten my hair, it lasts for a couple of days, about 3 to 4 days, and then I can put some dry shampoo in it. I don't have to re-straighten it again. It stays like this. I don't have the problem with my hair where if I go out in the humidity or, you know, rain or anything, it doesn't really mess my hair up. Thank God. However, I do have to straighten my hair just because, like I said, I highlight it and it is a little frizzy. I don't like to weigh my hair down with a lot of products, so like I said, just go through and take little pieces and then round it off at the ends. Let me know, by the way, if there's any videos that you would like to see me do. Like I said, I've had a couple of people that wanted to see how I did my hair, and I often curl my hair because it lasts me a couple of days, and I am a nurse, and I don't want to have to, I work 12-hour shifts, and I don't want to have to do my hair every single night. So I like to do hairstyles that are going to last me a couple of days. And when I curl my hair, it lasts me a pretty good bit. Like each night that I sleep on it, it gets that much better. Like it flattens out and like, you know, natural beachy waves, if you will. So, and that's something that can look good with like my hair in a ponytail, or I could do it like this, like half up, half down in a ponytail, and the waves look really nice. And I don't have to do that right after I do my, like, wash my hair. I can actually straighten it today And then tomorrow I could curl my hair and it would stay for a couple more days, which is nice. I just use my Numi wand to curl my hair. For around my layers, around my face, this is where I definitely make sure that I round it off. I don't want it to stick straight, so. Okay, well, there is how I straighten my hair. And if you would like a tutorial on how I curl my hair, just leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to grow my channel and show you more things. I do makeup, I can do lifestyle stuff. I can talk to you about nursing, just whatever, just let me know. And I look forward to talking with y'all and seeing you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.